Pour a cup into the washing machine and you'll be shocked at what happens. You'll end up using this trick more often than you think. Your laundry has never been this nice. Towels will be fluffy and soft like new. Prepare your laundry as usual by putting it in the drum. Next, pour 250 milliliters of vinegar into the detergent drawer. You don't need to add any other liquid. Just run the wash on your usual program. When it's finished, add baking soda, specifically 50 grams, to the same drawer. Then run the wash cycle again. Once it's done, take out your laundry and dry it. You'll feel how fluffy and soft it is. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemicals. It's a simple and eco-friendly solution. Just vinegar and a bit of baking soda. Try it yourself. Add 2 tablespoons to the wash. It will stay fragrant for days. Even a week after taking it out of the closet, you'll smell its lovely scent. I'll show you how to perfume laundry with a simple homemade method. Use 3 portions of table salt. I measure this amount with a small cup. Salt acts as a natural stain remover, helping the detergent dissolve all stains. Along with the stains, any unpleasant odors will disappear from the clothes. To the salt, add 1 scoop of baking soda. It's a natural cleaner that removes even dried stains. Salt and baking soda soften the water, making the clothes feel nicer to the touch and helping the detergent work more effectively. This will allow the laundry to carry the fragrance you choose. Add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix everything together and store it in a sealed container. Depending on the amount of laundry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to each load. Use laundry capsules or detergent as usual. To further enhance the scent, mix citric acid with 100 milliliters of water, add a few drops of the same essential oil, and pour a couple of tablespoons of this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. This way, your freshly washed clothes will have a long-lasting fragrance thanks to these natural additions. This method will make your home smell like a luxury residence. You can make it with things you already have at home. First, get a clean decorative jar. The bigger the better. Measure out 3 cups of regular water and pour it into the jar. These proportions are important. Next, add 2 cups of alcohol. Alcohol has antibacterial properties and helps evaporate excess moisture. Now add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. This gives you a scent that fills the space like in a luxury interior. Choose any essential oil you like. Also add 1 tablespoon of dish soap you have at home. It's great for dissolving grease and dirt. Stir everything thoroughly so the ingredients blend well. Now the most important step. Take an old cotton t-shirt and cut it into smaller pieces. This is a great way to reuse old fabric. Place the ready pieces into the jar and soak them completely in the fragrant mixture. In just a few minutes, you'll have homemade reusable cleaning wipes. They not only disinfect and clean all surfaces, but also leave a scent that feels elegant and fresh. Your home will shine with cleanliness and smell like a luxury residence. Throw 2 dishwasher tablets into the washing machine. This simple trick for a smelly washer works instantly. It'll be as clean as new. Regular cleaning is the key to fresh-smelling laundry and a long-lasting appliance. Pay special attention to the rubber seals, drum, and door. That's where most of the grime, detergent residue, and moisture build up. Never skip those spots. In a large container, dissolve 1 dishwasher tablet in about 14 ounces, 400 milliliters, of very hot water. Stir well until it fully dissolves. In a separate container, pour about 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters of vinegar. It has antibacterial and disinfecting properties. Pour the dishwasher tablet mixture into the detergent drawer. Pour the vinegar into the fabric softener compartment. Set your washer to a 140 Fahrenheit, 60 Celsius cycle and run it. During the cycle, the drum and seals will get a thorough cleaning. Not only will the buildup disappear, but so will bad odors and hidden gunk under the drum. You can also pour the dishwasher tablet solution into a spray bottle and use it as a cleaner for other parts of the washer. Do this once a month, and your washing machine will reward you with fresh, clean laundry and trouble-free operation. Just use a bottle, and your washing machine will thank you. A washing machine is one of the most essential appliances in your home. Its proper functioning depends on regular maintenance. One critical component to care for is the washing machine filter. It's responsible for trapping small debris. Neglecting regular cleaning of the filter can lead to serious problems. Place a towel under the filter area. Take an empty plastic bottle, cut off the top part, then trim a section of the side to fit the opening of the washing machine where the filter is located. Unscrew the filter. Watch as all the dirt and debris flow directly into the bottle. This is the moment you realize how easily your washing machine can get clogged if the filter isn't cleaned regularly. Once the filter is removed, place it in the sink. Clean it thoroughly with a brush to reach every crevice and remove all debris. Do the same for the filter opening. Pour water into the opening to rinse it. Then, put the cleaned filter back in place and screw it tightly. The filter is clean, and your washing machine works like new. This simple task helps you save on costly repairs. Place a sanitary pad in the washing machine. You'll use this trick more often than you think. The pad will help keep your washing machine in perfect condition. Take a sanitary pad and remove it from its packaging. Peel off the protective strips and stick them together. Now, spray the pad with a cleaning solution. The pad is now ready for cleaning. Lift the seal, the rubber part of the drum, and insert the pad inside. Repeat this process until the entire rubber surface of the drum is covered with pads. Leave them for an hour, then remove them. You'll see how much dirt they collected in that time. Use a microfiber cloth to clean any remaining residue on the rubber part. Wipe away any excess liquid with a towel or paper. Your washing machine is as good as new. By using this method, you ensure that the inside of your machine is disinfected and refreshed. The cleaning agents also remove limescale and prevent it from building up again. I add 1 tablespoon to the washing machine. I haven't bought fabric softener for over a year. Ever since I started using this trick, I no longer reach for chemical softeners. Just 1 tablespoon of coarse salt completely replaces fabric softener. Your clothes will always be soft and fresh without unnecessary chemicals. Prepare a bowl and add 3 large tablespoons of coarse salt. Salt is a natural fabric softener, removes odors, and has antibacterial properties. Then pour in hot water and stir well until the salt fully dissolves. Soak a microfiber cloth in the solution, then lightly squeeze it and toss it into the washing machine with your clothes. Set the temperature to 40 degrees and the spin cycle to 800 RPM. Once the wash cycle is complete, you'll be amazed at the results. Your clothes will be as soft as a cloud, and their freshness will surprise you. Once you try this method, you'll never go back to buying expensive fabric softeners again.